Oluku Giant Striker Media was live at Ibenabo village on Oluku Kingdom to view and record the 23 kilometers of road constructed by Chief Charles Odunukwe Chadon, Okemmiri Nebugo, one of Oluku Giant Striker na Bogi Okemmiri. Ibu Ijere no more Zada Akuno. This is the transformer that is powering the street light very well and so bright. This road was well constructed and perfected. The drainage well channeled. This road has lasted for many years and continue to last. Street lights have boosted the nightlife in this community. Oh, may God bless you for this wonderful work to your people. You are really a gift to ndị Ibenabo, ndị Oluku, ndị Anambra na ndị Igbo niile. May God bless you and continue to reward you in this world and heaven at last. I am Mercy Apostle Martin, the voice of Oluku Giant Striker. God bless you. Bye bye.